I live in your house and I watch your every move and I'm here to prove it. You keep listening to the same music over and over again until you're sick of it. You do the same with food and TV shows. How many times are you going to watch The Office or Friends? How many times? When you don't like doing something, you procrastinate until the very last possible minute. Anytime you try and take a break in between your work, you lose the motivation to get back to work, but somehow you don't learn from your mistake and you cave and you take a break and then your work goes unfinished. So are you just not going to do your laundry again until you're out of clean clothes? Huh? Okay, that's great. Why do you sleep like this? Why do you have your hand like that scrolling through TikTok? That's just weird. Also, why does your tongue look wobbly? Like, why are the edges like that? You need to work on your patience, because every time you need to have patience, like when someone talks too slow, or you have to repeat yourself, or you guess what the person's gonna say, but then you have to be patient for them to say it because it's rude to interrupt them, which you do anyways. It's just you're constantly in the state of raging because you have no patience. So that's great. Buying a new journal is not gonna fix your life. I love how you keep buying new journals and keep going through new ways of planning your day, and then you just fall out of it like 2 seconds later. How's your bank account doing, after you wasting hundreds and thousands of dollars on new hobbies or new businesses that you got over real quick? You need to learn to rest. I mean, I know that you feel guilty when you're unproductive, but you know that this is not going to work, right? If you don't rest, you're not going to be able to be productive. And you can't keep going with, constantly drinking coffee or like your Adderall and shit. Just, it's not going to work. Oh, by the way, that task that you started, you got distracted and you started another task. So you might want to go and finish the task that you started. Also, answer your emails and your text messages. You're accidentally ghosting people because you forgot to answer them. You answered them in your brain, but not in reality. So you might want to do that right now. Either super impulsive or you just take forever to do that thing. You're like, I'm going to do it one day, but we both know you're not going to do it. It's now or never with you. You know what? It's 0 to 100 with you. It's black or white. It's always either escalated or it's nothing. So it's okay for you to interrupt people, but God forbid someone interrupts you. You want to raise hell on them. Like, how is that fair? If someone tells you what to do, even though you were about to do it, you don't want to do it anymore. Like, you're about to wash the dishes and your partner's like, hey, can you wash the dishes? And you're like, no, I don't want to do it anymore. How is your crippling fear of rejection? You might want to reorganize your fridge, because when you don't see the groceries and they're at the back of your fridge, you forget they exist. And that is exactly why they keep going bad and you have rotten shit in your fridge. Just keep them where you can see them. Throw out the empty bottles of shampoos in your bathtub. Do it right now. How do I know all of this? Because I'm an ADHD coach, and these are characteristics that are born through ADHD symptoms. Check out my website for a free test to find out what ADHD type you have. Also, my 14-day course, which will help you turn your life around.